Well, hello there. Welcome back to Cow Barn Garage. We got the 1978 C-10 Silverado right here. 350 V8 with the turbo 350. Oh no, I don't have my safety devices on here. We're gonna test a little fender here. This truck is rusted out, but runs great, and we're fixing the brakes 100%. I got new brake lines today for the front. New master cylinder. I'll show you. We'll look at the outside, do a little walk around at the end of the video. Plus, we can look at the board up here where it tells you all the specs, how many horsepower it makes. So I got the rubberized paint. I got 6 cans for $40, free shipping off Amazon. The Dorman master cylinder was $40, free shipping. Yeah. Got something else. Brake lines was $18 for this side and $16 for the other side. We're gonna go and clean the rust here so we can black out the fender well, and then we're gonna sand one of these factory, I want to say Corvette rally wheels. Steel. It's supposed to be gray from the factory with the chrome beauty ring. I'm gonna flat black one of them. The other one I'm going to sand and clean and paint it aluminum. Prime it first, of course. I shine that one up a little bit just to put it on here and get an idea what it's going to look like. Chrome, black, eventually get white letters, etc., etc. Oh, I don't have my mask. And that's how you do that. So the plan is we're going to knock all the flake off, taper the paint, brown up the rust, then wet sand it, smooth it all in, spread the yellow around, clean it down, and then clear coat it. Last thing, of course. Let's see how this works. Oh, there's Bondo. I've done broke off all the old Bondo, so it's good and solid now. There you go, good and solid. Bondo. See, it looks like it's got mud up there. It's Bondo, good and solid. Yeah, we'll leave that. We'll shine right over it last thing. Oh, I was going to tell you something historical, and I forgot what it was. This video is brought to you by Milwaukee. Not really. Old Milwaukee. No, not even that. Oh, that's hard to control. Super clean. Come here, bucket. There you go. It's good stuff. We missed the screw. Wow. Like brand new. Brand new. This is time consuming. I'm not gonna bore you with this, but I'll do a little. This is time consuming in here. Gotta clean it good so we can black it out. Look at that. Can you see brand new brake caliper? Yeah. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Brand new. Oh yeah, it's good stuff right there. Yeah, there you go. Then we'll clean that down after we're done, before we black it out, of course. Wipe it down with a rag and some of this. But now, do a little bit of this. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. It's working too. I see paintbrush streaks here. Yeah, it's good stuff. You sit right there on the mat. Silverado 10. It's a 10. Careful with the rust. Yeah, good old Rusty. That's what we named this truck. Old Rusty. You can't see it, but I can. There's black buildup under that trim. That trim, I wasn't about to take it loose. Look, it's dented in. No way it'd go back on. It's got one screw and then all these clips that you slide it in. Bondo. Rebuilding Bondo, eh? Oh, that's awesome. Dollar Tree, baby. Brand new. You see how it's giving the rust a tan look, and we'll let that dry and we'll clean it down. It'll still be brown, but it'll look better than dark brown when we clear over it. There you go. Now what do we do? Safety gear off, Captain. Yes. Working up a sweat, eh? Oh, yeah, it's brand new. Look at that paint. We can put that back on. We'll scrape it off, dry it, and mix it up with some thinner and shoot that paint we're rubbing off of it. Shoot it back on the truck later. Oh, that's crayon. That was not brushed, but all the white was. I think I can say that. Gotta be careful here. That Bondo would dig into Mama's favorite towel. Buffing, shining. Rock Auto's got these for like dirt cheap. $8 or $10. Even the tail lights with bulbs. Not sure what we're gonna do though. Might order them off of eBay. That's our favorite place to buy and sell. Yeah, eBay. We love it. Look at that. It's brand new. All right. Oh, there's a wheel. I got a mask somewhere around here. Oh, there's Taterade. Yeah. I got 2 metal supports to stir up the hood. Looks like somebody was body slammed on it, and of course when you try to slam it, it hinges and breaks in half. Got this little mountain right here, but they make these brackets and these self-tapping screws that'll help take that out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What do you say, eh? We just gotta grind that weld off. Somebody put an old T-post right there. Yeah, now you can see it. They put a T-post, which was really good. It's being proactive, but they should have went on down beside the hinge. So now we buy these. Take this off, and there's these channels you buy off of Rock Auto or eBay. Seen it all. Oh, excuse me. Yep, we're gonna leave it. Shine it up and seal it. What do you think? Oh, there's some of that. Look in there, that'll be all nice and black and pretty. Solid Bondo. No Bondo. Yeah. So that's after, and this is before. Okay. Yeah. Can you say trash truck? That corner is really good. Yeah. That looks like some kind of artwork right there. We'll have to leave that. And both sides is just totally gone, you know. But we're gonna leave it. Put new tail lights, turn signals, headlights, and all that good stuff. Okay, Cow Barn Garage. There it is. It don't say C on it, but it's a 10 Silverado 350 V8 turbo 350 automatic. 165 horsepower at 38 RPMs. Got the, I do believe, quadra-track 4-barrel on it. Smog. Got a, what's those things that are worth a lot of money under there? Converter. We got to fix the brakes first. It runs and drives great. Paint the engine. We got high heat Chevy orange. Wires and plugs will be red. Not red plugs, but you know what I mean. Valve cover gaskets, and we're going to go ahead and put chrome for $40. Valve covers. Some El Cheapos. Chrome will help you make it home. And then a $40 14-inch air filter, air cleaner, excuse me. Change oil in it, not a priority. It's not totally black. black out the undercarriage. I'm going to do one of them right now, hopefully heat it up. It is 32 degrees, so after I clean it down, I'm going to heat the metal up real good before I paint it. And the paint is in my eBay office at 73 degrees, chilling out in there. Yeah, got a starter. We're going to do the same thing to this bed, but once we clean and shine the sides, we're going to tape it out, and we're going to do the rubberized black after we still wire brush it, you know. So it'll be black two-tone, and then that'll be normal off-white. Oh, we need a grilly. A little chilly out here. There you go. That's how we wet sand. Brake lines, Amazon. Yeah, $6. Got another cup. Oil and oil filter came from Wally World. Plus this right here at Wally World was $5.50. PB Blaster. You gotta clean up everything. Brake line fittings and all. A box of goodies. We can make it home on one headlight. No, we can't. And my boy Grayson has already been cleaning the interior. Yeah, gonna leave it be. We're just gonna, oh man, sorry, steady cam off. I'm just gonna clean it up. Carpet's gonna be okay. Get one of those horse blanket seats off Amazon for $40. Seat covers, got the pockets up front. We'll see how long that lasts, you know. Yeah. Oh, I can almost. Nope, can't do it. He's got it locked. He cleaned the headliner. These things. It's coming around really good. Yeah. Oh, you'd like to look under the hood. There's some more Bondo. There, we'll fix that. It's mo better. Engine bay compartment. I put the lid back on the 4-barrel because you tap this hood and there's acorns and rat stuff coming out of it, you know. Yeah, for real. Runs great. That'll look good orange. We're going to take all the accessories off. I put new belts anyway, and we'll paint. We'll clean, sand, and paint these black valve covers. Going to be chrome, intake, orange. Probably just the top end, right? Look at that. That's the 2500 hood piece of wood. And then my boy made a wooden spoon. He cut one out right there and made that years ago. He's somewhat of a carpenter. He is a jack of all trades. We juiced them twice, days ahead of time, and I heated them so they wouldn't break. Okay, and we're juicing all the fittings down there where we're going to put new rubber on both sides. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there. That's about $50 right there. But anyway, they want to take these teeth off, these deer protecting horns. But we're going to have to get an 1.5-inch bolt similar to that to take them off. They need to be chrome, don't they? Might have to order them off Amazon. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Stay warm. I'll see ya. Bye-bye.